guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful body wave wig. Oh my goodness, you guys need to get into it. Let's jump into all the details about today's install. Today's hair sponsor is Westkiss hair. I've worked with them I think 2 or 3 times now, so I believe this is my 3rd collaboration with them. Today I have installed a 24-inch 5x5 body wave closure wig. This is in the HD skin melt lace, and I would say yes, she is definitely skin melted. I love closure wigs. This is gonna be a super quick install, you guys. Really straightforward. We're just gonna cut off the lace and secure her. Like, not rocket science. This wig can definitely be worn glueless. It is feeling pretty secured, but I think we are gonna just spray the tiniest bit of hairspray. Was that a tiny bit? I don't know. Might have been a lot of bit. So I'm gonna go in with some of the spritz spray to see if we can tame this area down just ever so slightly. And the hot comb, be careful to not burn yourself. It gets very hot after you put something on there, like liquid wise. So let's go ahead and cut some baby hairs. I'm gonna go in with this black gel to secure the baby hairs. So I'm not sure about you guys, but for me personally, throughout the week, like unless I'm going out like on a date, I will reach for a closure wig before I reach for a frontal wig, just because it saves so much time. The last thing I want to do when I'm just running out of the house is securing a frontal wig. Like, I just don't have the time nor the patience. I'd rather just go with my natural hair than do that. So because this gel has a bit of color to it, you can definitely use it kind of like a tint. Pretty much the last thing I'm gonna do is clean up the part just to make it look a little bit more natural. I did bleach the knots on this unit, but I'm noticing that it didn't really lift the way I would have wanted it to. So just gonna go ahead and fix that. But I really like this parting space on this unit. You definitely get a lot of parting space when it comes to like a closure wig. Usually you get a lot more parting space. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is just fix up the curls. I believe I curled this wig yesterday and I didn't use any hair products on it. I just curled it and then I left it alone. If you curl it and pin it, it will hold a better curl.
Done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind.
Look at her, you guys. She's very much giving frontal vibes. So pretty, so meltable. I installed this wig in like 5 minutes. Super beautiful. Now this wig is so long, you guys. 24 inch. It is definitely giving me much longer than that. Look at her, so beautiful. And this wig has a ton of hair, so much that I had to curl it off camera. I had to do the main and the hard part off camera because when I saw how much hair this wig had, I was like, oh my god, if I do this on camera, I'm literally gonna be exhausted. Off camera, I did also bleach the knots on this unit, and you could still see them a little bit, but I would recommend bleaching the knots on this unit if you get it, because they were pretty noticeable for me. Even after bleaching, I still think like I could go back in for another round and bleach her. Super soft, look at this hair. Super silky, full, and this is a day-old curl basically, because I did curl this wig last night and I didn't use any hair products on this wig. This is just how it held up, just like that, and I left it on the mannequin head and I'm just kind of combing through her. Looks beautiful, super full, lots of density. It's some of the softest hair I've felt in a really long time, you guys. Like, I'm not just saying that. It is very soft. Look at it up close. A very healthy looking hair. This is what it looks like up close. Very healthy, shiny, full. Like, it is full all the way from the top to the bottom. Really love it. I would say it is super high quality hair. I would definitely recommend this wig. If you are on the go and you don't have time to put on a frontal, you can get this wig and you can get the frontal look. As you can see, like, it very much giving frontal without having to actually install the frontal. The wig fits me very nicely. It's the perfect fit, not too tight, not too big. I absolutely love it. I actually love everything about this unit. Like, what else can I say? It's just really nice, you guys. I think this is a great wig to have in your collection. And they gave me styled length, you guys. Look how long she is. Oh my goodness, I'm living my best life. I love it. I can't stop playing with it. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. Wow, definitely recommend you guys checking it out. So those are my final thoughts on this unit. I really love it. I love the styled length. I would say this wig is Kaviar Kez approved. If you guys want to check out this unit, I'm going to leave all the information in the description box for you. And if you guys hear my dogs barking in the background, I do apologize. I'm filming during the evening time, and I normally don't film this time. I usually film when they're asleep, so they don't do that. As I was saying, you guys, don't forget to comment and leave your thoughts on this install. How did I do? What do you guys think of the wig? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed so you don't miss out on any future uploads that I do or giveaways that I do. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Calling me sweet, telling me you need me.